And thanks to this sign, this is how I decided to spend my last day in Mexico.
To Isla Mujeres with the ULTRAMAR ferry. Ooh. Alright, let's take a ferry. Like 3 floors. Let's get some sun because it's my last day here. Alright, we just arrived at the port of Isla Mujeres. Let's enjoy it.
Isla Mujeres is something similar to Haltbox Island except with better roads. Haltbox is more like a hipster type of vibe with sand roads. But if you're looking for something more exclusive, come to Isla Mujeres. They got great hotels, great food, and great people.
Most of the people are balling in these golf carts, just cruising. About 600 pesos for 2 hours. Or a full day for like 1,000 pesos. Which is not a bad deal.
What's up, carnal? Everything okay, vato?
Look at all the golf carts. Crazy. Thanks to Shad Olsen for inviting me to this super high-end hotel. They make the little blankets like a flower shape with a bunch of petals, all cute and shit. Like, yo, this is for the books. Sponsored by Chad Olsen. Wanna check outside? Let's check outside. Look at that. Damn, big ass pool, rooftop with screen, big ass bed. Fuck, man, this is nice. I love this. You really can't see shit right now, but like rooftop with the beach, like damn. This is some like magical shit. Poetry, private, what?
There's so much to explore at Isla de Mujeres. This place is actually a magical place, man. Like if you come, you gotta check all the hot spots.
Some next level shit.
The following day.
Oh, hey, friend. Just chilling there, huh?
Isla Mujeres provides like a more calm type of vibe from the intensity and party culture of its neighboring across the Bay of Cancun. This is more like a tranquil type of environment. It's got a lot of beaches, it's got a lot of food, it's got a lot of activities, kayak, paddleboarding, biking. You could just rent about just anything. And because I was only here for 24 hours, I missed out a lot of things. I thought I had enough time, but I didn't get the chance to visit Parque de los Sueños, the underwater sculpture garden, and the beaches and more.
Oh man, this street stretches for a while. I would have got more of Isla Mujeres, but unfortunately I was only one night here, so I wasn't able to get a lot of shots. Even though I've been here one day, by far it's been one of my favorite spots here in Mexico. And I wish I would have got more of Isla Mujeres. Sadly, it's just, I only spent one night here. I don't know, I didn't get enough shots, I didn't get enough videos, I didn't get enough content, but I will show you as much as I can on my last day, because I gotta be at the airport in about 4 hours. Wish I wasn't rushing these fucking videos, trying to get as much as I can before my ferry leaves. Gang. Oh, hey, yeah, I'm back home. Unfortunately, I cannot make any more traveling videos because I got surgery, so please hold on. I'll probably be traveling in 6 months once I recover. But in the meantime, I will be making some educational videos based on NFT, cryptocurrency, affiliate apps, things like that. Videos that I can make home and show you guys. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can probably get some ideas out of your comment and maybe make a video based on your comments. So I just want to say thank you guys for the continuous support, and looking forward to making my next playlist. So stay tuned. Bye.
Yeah. Todo pecho frío se cría en el río, teniendo lo suyo, enseñando lo mío. Ahí donde empiezan toditos los líos, porque se comparan con el Rey León. Cuando de off your own, yo no junto una canción. Tu Mercedes, yo tengo una parking en la colección.